What's the logical value of string in Python? I erroneously wrote this code in Python. It always prints out that is a nice name even when the input is neither Cameron nor Samane. Am I correct in saying that it considers Samane as a true? Why? By the way, I already noticed my mistake. The correct form is
Any non-empty string in Python, and most other languages, is true as are all non-zero numbers and non-empty lists, dictionaries, sets and tuples. 1. A nicer way to do what you want is this creates a tuple containing the names that you want and performs a membership test. One, as Delman points out in the comments, this applies to all well-written collections. That is, if you implement a custom collection class, make sure that it is false when it's empty.
Besides the empty string, strings will all evaluate to true. See this page for a full list of values of all types that evaluate to false. This follows the logic of many other programming languages, except some which also evaluate strings like 0, false, etc. to false. The exact decision of what to do is somewhat arbitrary, but the choice made can be explained as allowing the cast to be used as a simple way to test for empty, default, or unpopulated strings. You can always force a cast of any type to bool using the bool function.
In Python, an empty string is considered false, true otherwise. You could use the in operator.
This URL. All other values are considered true, so objects of many types are always true.
Gotcha.